So I'm using the Mateo Beauty Palette again. I'm really excited. This is my New Year's look, even though we're just saying it. Crazy Town, dogs barking, hubby's talking, watching trolls. I'm gonna use the shade Love, which is the brightest pink you've ever seen in your life. I'm gonna use it, go slowly. I put NYX glitter glue on, and now we're gonna get into some pressed glitters, which I don't think I've ever actually used. I don't think I've actually ever used, but there's some pressed glitters in here. Okay, so let's do. Well, we have to do Dream On because it's New Year's. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna use my finger because it's gonna get messy. Ooh. It's kind of like a gel, well, like, not like, there we go. It's called Drama Queen, by the way. And I do want to use a little bit of Positive Vibes on the inner part. This is like, looks like snow. It's really, really pretty. Okay, it's a little smushy. Okay, so I go white with rainbow glitter. And then let's do, I'll do the blue too, which is called Influencer, which is the palette. It's new. There's not a lot of fallout, which is good. All right, and then I'm using the shade Verified here. This shade did not swatch the best, but that doesn't mean anything. All right. And then we're gonna use the shade, let's do Photogenic. Woo! This one swatched really, really well. Yeah. It's very, very, very pigmented. Really, really beautiful. I'm using the shade Bright Eyes. I'm filming a TikTok while doing this, by the way. My TikTok is Vegan Brie 823. And then inner corner, there's not really like a good inner corner shade per se, like traditional. So I use the shade Seafoam. And then I put Lilac on top. So this is my look for New Year's, even though we're not going anywhere, / second impression of this palette. Such a breeze to work with. Let me just show you the inside. Hello. Even though I'm going to do a full-blown review, I just wanted to get this done. All right, so this is the Photogenic Influencer palette from Mateo Beauty. So those are the pressed glitters. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just absolutely, it's just stunning. The mattes are fantastic. I really do like the shimmers. I wouldn't say they're like super foil metallic, but I still like the way they look a lot. Like, I think this look turned out really nice and it wasn't hard to do. Like, the blending was great. So yeah, there's my little spiel. Have a safe New Year's. Have fun. Be safe. Stay hydrated, whatever you're doing. So, and stay, if you're going out, stay with your friend or whoever. Don't leave each other's side. Don't leave your drink, please. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next year. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.